You're a narcissist. That seems to go toward for women nowadays, especially the ones that have been soaked in social media for too long. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. A narcissist is someone who has excessive interest or admiration of themselves. I implore you, before you use a word, to look it up. Nothing is wrong with not understanding or knowing what a word means. Something is wrong when you use a word without understanding the meaning behind it. Ladies, a man is not a narcissist because he disagreed with you. Please to stop use that word out of context, because honestly, each time I see that word being used out of context, it tells me two things about a woman. One, you spend your time on social media and you have been steeped in social media so much. You are literally at this point a puppet to the trends of social media. Two, you simply don't know what the word means. I have honestly never seen that word used properly. I honestly have not seen it used properly. And the thing is, both men and women can be narcissists.